All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 BMW 430. It is the 430i XDRIVE. It's beautiful gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got a fog lights, hardtop convertible, only 27,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. It's got some here around 3 to 4 inches, and some more here about 3 to 4 inches as well. Check out your tire tread, which is just at under 7/32. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Your tire tread is just over 7/32, and I do see some curbing. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, I don't see any holes, no tears, no rips there. Front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat with memory seating. Got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Jump in this vehicle real quick. Show you guys your instrument cluster and stuff like that. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Push start system. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. You got heated seats somewhere. I'm sure you have heated seats. This is a sure you got heated seats and stuff like that here, folks. All right, very nice. Got your controls here. You got your controls here that control your dash up front. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 27,852. Let's keep it moving. Of course, you got backup camera as well. All right, rear bumper looks pretty good. So of course, what your deck lid looks like, very nice. This does move. Does have a little thing here that somehow grades this up and down. All right, got your hardtop. My assistant here is gonna open up or close the thing so you guys can see it. Boom. Perfect. There it goes. All right, and the windows automatically go up. This is what your trunk looks like when you have that. Of course, you have a little netting here. As you can see, this is exactly what it does. Some sort of fly netting and stuff like that. Comes with 2 keys and owner's manuals. There they are. All right. And now my assistant's gonna put it back. There we go. Boom. Wraps up, falls up in itself. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, folks. Pretty much is it. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more to engulf that entire edge there. Tire tread, just under 7/32. This door looks good. Does have a little heavy scratch there, very small. It's about less than an inch. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. That coming around your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I'll say 10 or more on that curbing there. And your tire tread is under 7/32. Lights are working. Car is running. This thing runs beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2018 BMW 430i XDRIVE model, all-wheel drive with 27,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.